Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I want to clean my headlights with toothpaste. Things that we want to need: toothpaste, brush, towel, cleaner. In this case we want to use the nonsense, and at the end we're going to apply butter wet wax. You can apply any wax or sealant at the end. Let's get to it. If you can see, this headlight is not the brightest. Sun been damaged these headlights for a long time now. I want to clean them this way, and probably later we're gonna use another method. In this case I'm gonna use toothpaste to clean it, and at the end I'm gonna seal it with butter wet wax just to give it a little bit more protection. The way that I'm gonna do it: apply some on the headlight, and rub it in. Let's see if this type of toothpaste can do something on the headlight. You can see the difference between this toothpaste and this one. That one is already turning yellow. Next step, apply some nonsense and clean it with a towel. You can use water too. I think it looks a lot better now. Headlight is clean. Now we can put wax in it. Not a lot. We want to let the wax sit for a few minutes. Okay, we wait 5 minutes. Now I'm going to remove the wax. Now you can see the difference, how clear this one is. And check the other one. Overall, it did the job, but I think with baking soda, or if your toothpaste has baking soda in it, it's gonna do much better job. But I'm really happy with this result, as you can tell. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.